It's party time!
Behold, the elevators! I think it's some unknown building, maybe in Madinaty, second Cairo. Yep, I think there's Schindler as well. We touch screen. But come to think of it, they are. I think this one isn't working. Only this one is. We'll worry about this later. Time to do it. Yep. I think we'll go up to 5. Let's go up 4. Here at 5. See? It's vintage. Oh, wait a minute. I think there's a lot more floors than this. Oh well. I think it might let's put down a 0 then. Yeah, cabin. Yeah, this canvas was vintage, you know. I mean, the cat is capacity about 4 kilograms. See? Anyway, I'm guessing this is the only one there. I'm wondering how many floors are there in this building. Oh well, not always.
For watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.